except for me to yani ngilo bensibari diqase nami nje by campusini. I remember it's the first day of the UWC football trials. So yeah, man, I was already on campus here and I was walking towards the stadium up at Economy Square. Then when you pull up Economy Square, and see man, okay, rugby, but you know, the cricket. So I guess it was part of their practice or something like that. Then I passed because being Africa. So yeah, in the lane, yeah, by the shadow point. Okay, on my way, I'm thinking about the sweetest things, but if I continue, like, what am I gonna do? Like, I'm planning, man, and then I get distracted. Couple andoni, suka, on the manami, about the fully better understand that just I can't see another one. Johnny, not DJ Khaled. Njani but ke nababona imboko indlela ehleka ngayo mas sister ba wenzela mina lo ngqina ndizitatsha mina sekhaya hamba notjani place yenu expiry shilena but ke besendlule ke ukapa care. So these were the players that came here for the trials, and guys, this was the least of them because the others hadn't arrived yet at the time. So ke nyani qanqona amantebonsela phansi ndibona ngathi kuyadlalwa on the other side. So then one was approaching, was like, hey, Kubanu, hey, number 11. I know this was a shushunyard, but it's a pity can you do because the trials because everyone needs in yan much they were powerful. Then 10 time I am an equipment to catch on Sunday. The otherwise, much of my man, kissing time, tea, and let cover look. Once it go, smile operator. Yeah, okay, sure. It's absolutely the same way like okay, no. I think it was felt as well. Wow. Carlos born again as teams, and the guys that were playing looked pretty much older. So I was like, you know, it's those over 35 league or something like 35 plus league, you know. So came there, so they had the supporters right next to the goalposts. Wow, this is so brand new to me. Okay, apparently this was Eskom Sports Day from AKZN, I mean. So they booked UWC for the sports. So yeah, man, it was one of those things. Then we saw them, and then I was like, yeah, you know what, this was going to be a beautiful goal scoring opportunity. By the way, the blue team won by 4-0, beating the orange team. It was a very beautiful game, but I came in late. So yeah, I think by this time the match was going to end. And then yeah, man, sabukela ngone yo man, okay, nibizokhaba ngoku, okay, lay off Monday, puts it kamani, takes the shot, it goes wide. So yeah, this was the blue team celebrating after they had won. But I was like, I'm like, no guys, until I celebrations because now I wanted the actual game. So got an interview from Kaya Ligade. Thank you so much, player man. This is the UWC center back, by the way. It was part of the squad last season. If you want this video, make sure you go check it on my Facebook and YouTube, or also on TikTok. So the games had already started to give up. So you can see that the center back is on top of the ball, looking. Who will he give it to? Gives it to his right back. Right back, raises up his head, passes the ball. And you go wrong. So guys, do you think these are the players that will be playing for UWC? Ain't no way, man. Pull up your socks, Nina. So they were playing this side and on the other side. Yeah, man. Then go up and right in them went to the girls because the boys go like. So when I got here, I was like, oh, okay. Then we watch the playing decently. Okay, so this was the other side that was attacking. Then I took my banner on the ball. Oh, she's a star player, that one. You should also check it out. I also posted about it on my Facebook profile. You see the simple football. It's one touch and then she draws the penalty. Ooh, I was so amazed, man. I was so happy with what I saw from those two girls over there. And then they gave this penalty, free kick. Okay, but yeah, I thought will it be a goal or not? Let's see. I said that And then the goalkeeper saved it. It was such a very beautiful day, guys. So this is the picture of Uma Bena, the best player I saw yesterday by far. And then after she got injured and the physiotherapist was helping her out, and I was here with my guy Uchuchu. Guys, thank you so much for watching, man. Yeah, that was a summary of the first day at the UWC football trials. Danko. And oh, if you're wondering what's the name of the song that's playing on the background right now, that's Arcade by DJ Therapeutic. Make sure that you catch his mixtape, which will be dropping the 1st of March 2024. It will be available on YouTube. And right here on top is the name of the mixtape by DJ Therapeutic. Make sure you don't miss it.